Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I bring you maybe the world's most powerful and intelligent mobile AI chipset, the Kirin 980. It's the world's first 7nm SoC chipset. We are using the industry's most powerful ARM Cortex-A76-based CPU. And we are first one to introduce the dual AI processor inside. We have the latest generation GPU and the fastest 4G LTE modem inside, and fastest Wi-Fi connection, and also fastest DRAM support. This chipset will make the 5G solution available. This is the Kirin 980, a big step forward compared with last generation, the Kirin 970, with our dual AI processor, which can have the industry's best AI processing in the world. We have the GPU turbo. All the specs, we are leading ahead. So Kirin 980 will be the most powerful and intelligent chipset in the world. However, we will launch May 20 in London in October 16th. The first smartphone was powered by this Kirin 980 chipset. In the spring of this year, we launched the P20 series. In just 5 months, we ship over 10 million smartphones. We bring 2 new colors for the P20 and the P20 Pro, more for Aurora and Pearl White. I'm very glad to invite the Vice President of Amazon Alexa, Daniel Rush.
We're so thrilled to be integrating Alexa into the new Huawei AI Cube.
Today we launched the Kirin 980 and a new color, new style for the P20 series flagship phone and the AI Cube. Thank you.